Hi guys, this is Ranish Malhan from Compose. Welcome back to this course. Today we will see how we can color grade this image to make it look like this. So let's get started. So here you can see the final result of this image. So firstly, what I will do, I want to introduce some cooler tones in this image. For that, I am going to apply a gradient map. So I have applied the gradient map here. So now I am going to change the gradient. So here you can see the left side represents the darker colors or darker tones in the image, and the right side represents the lighter tone in this image. So here I am going to change this color to something like blue. So here is the code. I have mentioned all the color codes which I am going to use here in the description. You can also download the image from the description. So here is our first gradient, and now I am going to change this color. Double click here, and at this time I am going to change this color to the lighter blue. For that, so this is the color. You can see now the lighter tones are getting this color and the darker tones are getting this color. Now here in the gradient we have to introduce two more colors. So first color I want to introduce around 23% location. So here I want to introduce a darker blue. So here is the color. And now the second one I am going to apply here around 72 or 73. So now double click here. At this time change it to 4D. So now we have the gradient with us. Now commit the change by clicking on the OK. So at this time double click on the layer in the layers panel. Now we have the layer styles window opened. So at this time I am going to underline layers. Hold Alt to move left cursor towards the right. This will blend the darker tones. You can see that. Now we will do the same thing with the right cursor. This represents the brighter tones in the image. We will blend the brighter tones with the layer below. For that, hold Alt and start dragging it to the left like this. Now you can see we have a very good composition right now. Here I am going to change the blending mode of this gradient map to color. You can see we are getting a very good tone. Now I am going to apply color balance. Here I am going to tweak some shadows. Change the red cyan to about here, and now I will tweak some yellows to about 2, and at this time I am going to change highlights about 45 like this. 47 will also work good, I think. And here with the yellows I am going to move it towards the yellow. Great. And now we are going to tweak the midtones. Change the red cyan value to about here, and now change the yellow to about here like this. Now what we will do, we will reveal the previous image colors from here. Now for that I am going to apply the gradient to the layer mask of gradient map layer. So from here I can do that. Select the gradient, and here I have selected the layer mask. Now click and drag like this. You can see we have color graded the image properly. I hope you like the result. If you find any issues, please write to us in the comments. or you can also email us. So that's all for today. If you like our videos, then do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications on time. Thanks for watching.